The Black Shark 2 recently launched in Beijing, and while you might have seen the unboxings, the hands-on videos, still let's take a look at 5 features that you might have just missed. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech, and let's get started. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So number 1, the display, it's pressure sensitive. You can segregate it into 2 parts and set button presses based on certain pressure. This should let you not have to take your finger off the display and help with gameplay. Neat, right? So next, you see these LED strips to the side, right? So when you play music, they act as a visualizer of sorts. So you know what, it's easier to show you, so let me play. Neat, right? So that's kind of something I really liked about this phone. So any which ways, next you remember the Aeroactive cooler on the ROG? Well, Black Shark has their own version, and this one is supposed to drop the temperature by up to 5 degrees. Yep, 5 whole degrees. That's because this is quite a bit larger than ROG's Aeroactive cooler. And the extra size also means that Black Shark's got a battery in here. So unlike with ROG, the battery inside the phone doesn't need to power the cooler. Number 4, while on the topic of accessories, there's also a Type-C to HDMI cable that is sold separately. This one is pretty self-explanatory. It mirrors the Black Shark 2's display on screen and it kind of turns it into a console of sorts. And that experience is not complete without this attachment. It's similar to what we find for the Switch. It lets you connect both gamepads and use them as one regular controller. So plug your Black Shark 2 into the TV and use this to play as you would with a console. Neat trick, right? And that brings us to number 5, the ludicrous mode. Now this is a gaming phone. Yes, it's got a Snapdragon 855. Yes, it's got a vapor chamber and liquid cooling and all that. But what's a gaming phone if you can't eke out every last bit of performance? So Black Shark allows for a ludicrous mode that lets you overclock everything to get every last bit of performance out of the Black Shark 2. Sweet. Now I know I said 5 cool things, but what's a video without a few bonuses? The display, we know it's Amoled, but it covers over 108% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. The touch response speed is also supposed to be very low at 43.5 milliseconds. And fun fact number 3, Xiaomi has nothing to do with the sale of the phone. Xiaomi is a major investor, yes, but Black Shark is not a Xiaomi sub-brand. Now this isn't Poco by Xiaomi or Redmi by Xiaomi, so it's not Xiaomi Black Shark, it's not Black Shark by Xiaomi, and it's most definitely not Xiaomi Black Shark 2. And in the unboxing you saw the Black Shark 2, and here are 2 other colors, blue and silver. So there you go, 5 cool things you might have just missed about the Black Shark 2. So how many new things did you get to know from this video? Be honest, let me know via the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.